See if we can get up the side there to have a look at it. Maybe. Dublin House right next door. That's the one bar. There's a shamrock down there. Another request we had for filming this. So I'll go down and have a look at the bar. You can imagine it's a very popular bar when it's open. Very nice to sit out here at night and got the lights on there. Can't really see through the glass there. Looks a bit more like a normal English pub, an old English pub. I can see inside. And then the camera's going to pick it up inside. Yeah, it looks like the old school, all the chairs on the tables. Remember that, guys, when you're back in school? Last thing you had to do at night, was in the schools I went to, put your chair on the table so the cleaners can come round. Must have saved them at least 5 minutes. Magnus Irish cider, of course. There we go. Strong though. Wouldn't be an Irish pub without the Guinness. I take it that's a shamrock in the doorway there. Just be nice to see it open with loads of people in again. Back to earning a living. Do food as well. And there are a few of these places I've been asked for today, mainly hotels. There's the entrance there. That must be great in the summer sitting out there. You had Guinness or Magnus or whatever else you fancy.